Call from a customer, their pool's gone green. Now there's always a reason why a pool goes green. In this case it's because the customer's been renovating around the pool and has turned the equipment off. So let's empty the skimmer basket of leaves, get a water sample and get the water on recirculating. Now to get any of the debris out of the pool, there's quite a lot of leaves and sticks on the bottom, so it'll take a bit of scooping. Then make sure we get all the algae off the walls and off the floor. Test the water to check the chemical balance, and as you can see there's no chlorine and hence why it's gone green. So add some chlorine and some buffer to get the pH right before adding some flock to cause all of that fine algae to drop to the bottom. I left it a few days and as you can see it's dropped perfectly to the bottom so that I can vacuum to waste. Now you need to go nice and slow and it takes a little bit of time so you don't disturb the fine flock. Now the aim is to get the bulk of the flock out. It won't be perfect, so I'll give it another brush, let that settle and come back in a few days to give it another vacuum to waste. And then we're done. We'll do a salt pour, throws it like ASMR. And rebalance all the chemicals. So let's take a look and see how it turned out. Another happy customer.